Hi, this is Gina Danner with the NextPage Marketing Minute, and today we're talking about shape-cut envelopes. I am so excited about this new tool for marketers. It actually allows us, the U.S. Post Office is allowing us to extend an image off the edge of the envelope. So as you can see, we've extended this little Post-it note image off the edge about a ½ inch. This allows us to do more to engage our consumer and really get them to pay attention to the envelope. It's one thing to get in the mailbox, now you've got to get engaged. And this great tool allows you to do so. There's rounded shapes, there's square shapes, we can even do custom shapes. The great thing is that you want to make sure you engage your consumer and tell them what you want to do, and this is just one more way to do that. At NextPage, we've grabbed shape-cut envelopes and are really encouraging our clients to use them because we see that they work. And to help you, we've created a shape-cut envelope kit. If you're interested in receiving this kit or learning more about shape-cut envelopes, just go to gonextpage.com/shapecutKit for more information and to request your free kit.